In the journey of life, we often find ourselves facing challenges that test our resilience, determination, and perseverance. These difficulties can be overwhelming, pushing us to the brink of despair. However, it is during these trying times that breakthroughs often emerge, transforming our lives in ways we never imagined. Let's explore the clear signs that indicate a breakthrough is on the horizon, emphasizing the notion that our big opportunities may be right where we are now. The crucible of difficulty. Life is an unpredictable journey fraught with challenges that test the very core of our being. The crucible of difficulty serves as a transformative force, molding individuals in ways they never anticipated. Historical narratives are replete with instances where great breakthroughs emerged from the crucible of adversity. From the scientific advancements born out of societal upheavals to personal stories of triumph against all odds, the crucible of difficulty has consistently proven itself to be the fertile ground for profound change. Throughout history, some of the most significant breakthroughs have emerged from the crucible of difficulty. The Renaissance, a period marked by societal and intellectual upheavals, witnessed a surge in artistic, scientific, and philosophical advancements. Visionaries like Leonardo da Vinci and Galileo Galilei rose to prominence amidst the turbulence, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. Similarly, the Great Depression of the 1930s led to the birth of innovative economic theories and policies. John Maynard Keynes, through his groundbreaking work, laid the foundation for modern macroeconomics, forever altering the economic landscape. On a more personal level, individuals often find themselves in situations that demand resilience and courage. Consider the story of J.K. Rowling, who faced rejection from numerous publishers before the monumental success of the Harry Potter series. Rowling's journey through the crucible of rejection not only transformed her life but also brought joy and inspiration to millions around the world. The crucible of difficulty extends beyond the realms of fame and fortune. Everyday heroes emerge from the struggles of life, demonstrating that breakthroughs are not reserved for the privileged few but are accessible to anyone willing to face challenges head-on. The importance of a positive mindset. Beyond resilience, the crucible of difficulty places a spotlight on the importance of maintaining a positive mindset. It is the ability to find hope amid despair, to see opportunities in challenges, that often distinguishes those who thrive in difficult times. Studies in positive psychology highlight the correlation between a positive mindset and overall well-being. When individuals approach challenges with optimism, they are more likely to persevere, innovate, and ultimately experience breakthroughs. The crucible of difficulty, therefore, becomes a canvas on which the brushstrokes of positivity create a masterpiece of personal and psychological growth. Signs your breakthrough is approaching. As individuals navigate the crucible of difficulty, certain signs begin to emerge, offering glimpses into the potential for a transformative breakthrough. These signs are often subtle, requiring a heightened level of self-awareness and a keen understanding of one's circumstances. Recognizing these indicators can empower individuals to persevere through challenging times with the anticipation that a breakthrough is on the horizon. A shift in perspective. One of the clear signs that a breakthrough is approaching is a perceptible shift in perspective. Rather than dwelling on the negativity of challenging situations, individuals begin to recognize the silver lining within the clouds of adversity. This shift is marked by a conscious effort to focus on what can be gained or learned from difficult experiences. For example, someone facing professional setbacks might start viewing them as opportunities for professional development and skill enhancement. This change in perspective sets the stage for a more positive and constructive approach to challenges, paving the way for breakthrough moments. The role of gratitude. Gratitude plays a pivotal role in fostering a positive outlook during challenging times. Individuals on the verge of a breakthrough often find themselves cultivating a sense of gratitude for the lessons learned, the support received, and the personal growth experienced during difficult phases. Gratitude acts as a powerful antidote to despair, shifting the focus from what is lacking to what is present. This change in mindset not only enhances emotional well-being but also prepares the ground for the recognition of opportunities that may lead to a breakthrough. Increased resilience and adaptability. As individuals approach a breakthrough, there is a noticeable increase in emotional resilience. The ability to navigate challenges without succumbing to despair becomes a defining characteristic. Difficulties that once seemed insurmountable now serve as opportunities for personal and professional growth. Emotional resilience is not about avoiding negative emotions but rather about bouncing back from setbacks with newfound strength and wisdom. It is this resilience that propels individuals forward, making them more capable of facing the uncertainties that often precede breakthrough moments. The ability to adapt to change. Breakthroughs are often accompanied by significant changes, and individuals on the brink of success demonstrate a heightened capacity to adapt to these shifts. The willingness to embrace change and see it as an integral part of the journey is a key sign that a breakthrough is approaching. Adaptability involves not only accepting change but also leveraging it to one's advantage. Individuals who can pivot, innovate, and adjust their strategies in response to changing circumstances are better positioned to seize the opportunities that lead to breakthroughs. Intuition and gut feelings. A unique aspect of approaching a breakthrough is an enhanced sensitivity to intuition and gut feelings. Individuals find themselves more attuned to their inner guidance, relying on instincts to make decisions in the face of uncertainty. Trusting intuition becomes a valuable tool for navigating complex situations where conventional wisdom may fall short. The ability to discern subtle cues and trust one's gut feelings often leads individuals toward the path of breakthrough opportunities. The connection between intuition and seizing opportunities. Intuition is not a random occurrence, but a finely tuned inner compass that guides individuals toward opportunities aligned with their goals. Those on the cusp of a breakthrough are more likely to recognize and act upon opportunities that resonate with their intuition. Seizing these opportunities requires a certain level of trust and courage. It involves stepping into the unknown with confidence that the choices made are in harmony with one's deepest aspirations. As individuals learn to listen to their inner wisdom, breakthroughs become not just possibilities but inevitable occurrences. Alignment of efforts and passion. A breakthrough often occurs when individuals find themselves aligning their efforts with their true passion. This alignment is more than just pursuing a career or goal. It's about engaging in activities that resonate with one's core values and bring a sense of fulfillment. Recognizing when actions are in harmony with passion involves introspection and self-discovery. Individuals nearing a breakthrough tend to invest their time and energy in pursuits that genuinely inspire and motivate them, setting the stage for remarkable achievements. How passion fuels determination and perseverance. Passion acts as a powerful fuel for determination and perseverance. When individuals are deeply passionate about their endeavors, challenges become stepping stones rather than roadblocks. The pursuit of passion ignites an inner fire that propels individuals through obstacles with unwavering commitment. The determination to overcome challenges, fueled by passion, is a potent force that not only sustains individuals during difficult times but also positions them to capitalize on opportunities that can lead to breakthroughs. Breakthroughs lead to a life filled with beauty and positivity. Rumi, the 13th century Persian poet and mystic, is celebrated for his profound teachings on love, spirituality, and the human experience. His poetry transcends time, resonating with individuals across cultures and generations. Within the treasure trove of Rumi's wisdom lies a rich tapestry of insights that can illuminate the path towards something beautiful, a positive and purposeful life. Let's explore how Rumi's teachings can inspire breakthroughs leading to a life filled with beauty and positivity. Embracing the journey of self-discovery. Rumi often encourages individuals to embark on a journey of self-discovery, recognizing that true beauty lies within. His poetry urges us to look beyond the surface, to explore the depths of our own being. In the context of breakthroughs, this journey becomes a transformative process where one unravels layers of conditioning, unearths hidden talents, and discovers the authentic self. Rumi's teachings guide us to embrace the challenges of self-discovery with courage and curiosity. Through this exploration, breakthroughs occur as we align ourselves with our true essence, fostering a positive and genuine connection with life. Don't be satisfied with stories, how things have gone with others. Unfold your own myth. Rumi's poetry often invites us to view challenges not as obstacles but as opportunities for growth. In the face of difficulties, breakthroughs can occur when we shift our perspective, as Rumi eloquently expresses. The wound is the place where the light enters you. Breaking through adversity becomes a process of transformation, akin to a seed pushing through the darkness of the soil to reach the light. Rumi teaches us to embrace challenges, for within them lies the potential for beauty and positive change. Navigating the depths of emotion. Rumi's poetry is a testament to his deep understanding of human emotions. He acknowledges the highs and lows of life, encouraging us not to suppress but to embrace our feelings. Breakthroughs towards positivity often involve acknowledging and processing emotions, as Rumi beautifully articulates. Don't turn away. Keep your gaze on the bandaged place. That's where the light enters you. By confronting and understanding our emotions, we open ourselves to breakthroughs that lead to healing and emotional resilience. Rumi's teachings guide us towards a positive life by encouraging an authentic engagement with our emotional landscape. Cultivating love and compassion. Love, a central theme in Rumi's poetry, is a transformative force that has the power to break through barriers and lead to a more positive existence. Rumi teaches that love and compassion are not only external gestures but internal states of being. Your task is not to seek for love, but merely to seek and find all the barriers within yourself that you have built against it. Breakthroughs towards a positive life involve dismantling these barriers, whether they be fear, judgment, or resentment, and cultivating a heart that is open, compassionate, and receptive to the beauty inherent in every moment. Living in the present moment. Rumi's teachings echo the importance of living in the present moment, appreciating the beauty that exists here and now. Breakthroughs towards positivity often occur when we release the burdens of the past and the anxieties of the future. Rumi's words guide us. The quieter you become, the more you are able to hear. In the stillness of the present moment, breakthroughs unfold, revealing the beauty that exists in simplicity and mindfulness. Embracing the present moment. In the pursuit of a breakthrough, it's crucial to recognize the transformative power of embracing the present moment. Amidst the chaos of challenges and the anticipation of future success, the present moment serves as a canvas upon which opportunities are painted. By cultivating mindfulness and appreciating the here and now, individuals not only find solace in difficult times but also lay the groundwork for breakthroughs that may be waiting just around the corner. The power of now. At the heart of embracing the present moment is the practice of mindfulness, a state of heightened awareness and presence. Mindfulness involves intentionally focusing on the current experience without being consumed by past regrets or future anxieties. In the context of breakthroughs, mindfulness plays a pivotal role in recognizing opportunities that might be overlooked in the whirlwind of daily life. By paying attention to the present, individuals become attuned to subtle cues and possibilities that may lead to transformative change. Illuminating the path to transformation. In the exploration of the clear signs that herald the imminent arrival of a breakthrough, a compelling narrative emerges, one that intertwines resilience, intuition, the power of now, and the transformative teachings of visionaries like Rumi. The crucible of difficulty, examined in historical contexts and personal narratives, reveals itself as a crucible of opportunity, forging strength and resilience in the fires of challenge. As individuals approach breakthroughs, subtle shifts in perspective become beacons of hope, illuminating the silver linings within adversity. Emotional resilience and adaptability serve as armor, enabling individuals to weather storms and adapt to change, key ingredients in the alchemy of transformation. Intuition, that quiet inner guide, gains prominence, helping discern the opportunities that lead to breakthroughs. In this tapestry of insights, breakthroughs are not distant dreams but tangible possibilities awaiting discovery within the folds of our everyday lives. As we navigate the intricate dance of challenges and opportunities, we find that our big breakthroughs may be right where we are now, beckoning us to awaken to our potential, embrace the journey of self-discovery, and seize the beauty hidden within the intricacies of life. This exploration serves as a testament to the resilience of the human spirit and the potential for profound growth even in the face of adversity. In the grand tapestry of existence, each challenge is a thread, and each breakthrough a vibrant hue that contributes to the masterpiece of a life well lived. As we celebrate the milestones and reflect on the lessons learned, let us acknowledge the signs that guide us toward transformation and the breakthroughs that lead to a life enriched with purpose, positivity, and beauty.